Smooth riding little truck. It's just as smooth or smoother than my dad's Laramie. He's got 2010. So we'll do our 0 to 60 test right here. So you can see we spun the wheels a little bit on the takeoff. That's pretty good. It's pretty peppy for a small engine. Like I said, it's flex fuel. It pulls about 6,500 pounds, if I'm correct.